very clear.
That's all, you see.
So,
Everything else is not nonsense. That's what happens. Whether they live together or go apart, what do I care? You are pretty, you are rich, you are handsome, anybody would give his right arm. Why you can't throw that bastard out of your system? He doesn't advise you.
but then the other day comes, you again tell the same
He
thing.
doesn't know. America, they will.
They will.
In this interview particularly, you lived with that picture of yours 21 years. Do you say that you never loved her? He didn't use that word. You asked some such questions. I was very, it was very lively, this interview. I liked it myself.
Very good.
I hope we get it very soon. That old bastard. Okay. Peace medal. I think joke that you know. And those fellows offering that was a joke.
You're sitting like this, it's implied.
He took a medal.
Your Rama is there, you can go. Huh?
Living Rama is here.
What can you do with this man?
I think you also don't want to be caged.
You just can't, sir.
You can't.
Try.
You can't.
You tried.
You can't.
Listen, you tried.
You are not allowing me to put a stamp there.
No, you're not allowing. You see, that's the way out for you.
Destroy it.
No. Try it. That's a joke, give a methodology, you say this, do this, take a journey, and all that kind of a thing. It falsifies the statement that there is no teacher, no teaching, no thought. It was possible only for an avadut to say that. And he went away, never talked about it, never started building brothels or schools or foundations. Real estate you leave behind, that's all that the people are interested in, nothing else. Real estate, management. He is a very trained journalist, he is a very intelligent man. That's why all the papers that were given to these people, the TV people, they picked that one.
Acha?
Yes.
I must tell him that when I go.
All the papers, you were given Mahesh's, this, that, yours also. The whole lot, the whole file was there. They picked that one and he read passages from that. He's capable of, he's a blasting, you see, That is his nature, but he had no way of handling this.
If I understand right, he says.
Yes, that itself is something for a man like that. I tell you. And the way he has put it there, nothing of his own. And that last paragraph of these people, you see, put that yellow lines there and read it. You see, and then what comment?
No, motivation there at all.
No? Even if you are lucky enough, you see, to read something, it will not be because of me. That I'm certain. You will not come and thank
We
me.
get tied down to this statement.
I will not
we say this is
expect
the
any
honest thing we have
gratitude
never
from
seen
you.
anywhere. Huh?
It will be
Yes,
something
sir.
new,
That's the difference.
which nobody ever said before. I tell you.
Right at a point.
Yes. Nobody ever said that kind of a thing before. How it will express itself, I don't know. You don't know. Nobody will know. No. Do it. I am finished.
And then what you do?
I have no place anymore. Then you have to take over. This bitch, yes, the dress is there already.
But when you talk to JK, he didn't.
JK is the phony, forget it. Don't talk of that. JK is nothing.
What I wanted to say is he didn't accept whatever you said.
He did not even bother, he went on in his own. He was just a missionary, petty little missionary like any other Christian missionary. He was not interested in that. Second hand, you see, it doesn't matter. All the other teachers did.
What about you? You also.
Despite Krishnamurti, whatever has happened, it's a miracle. That fellow could not, you see, purify.
No,
Yeah, I'm telling you.
I mean, I say that you.
Despite that bastard, He put you off on the wrong
No, I
track.
said that you may make somebody to touch.
Not at all. It's not in
But
my
you
hands.
are,
It is not in my hands. I will never take you on a filthy, bogus chartered flight.
Yeah, but it's
Never.
accident
What accident?
by being
If that is an accident, you would never have taken any of you on a journey. You would never have started those filthy institutions. Never. So he is dead. That's what I said on the television. Dead, 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 that bastard. Just in case you don't know the spelling of the word, I said it on G-E-A-D. Well, don't know. They are not what they're talking about. Inside of 10 years, nobody will ever mention his name. Because there is nothing to his teaching.
even that book Unknown Man,
Yes.
nothing much said about J.K.
Nothing there. 10 years, nobody
There is
will
no
ever mention
quotation
his
there.
name. Except
Only
those
as
people who have to
one
make a living. Huh? Nothing. Nobody will ever talk of him because his
There's nothing much to
contribution
say.
is zero to the thinking of man. They pick it up as psychological jargon, which is outdated, outmoded, irrelevant. Valentine's summing up of Krishnamurti was something unique. She said that fellow does not belong to our time, she said. Some Victorian fellow, last century, the stuff he's talking, she said.
So many people say another 100 years later he will be popular.
Yes, that they have to sell that.
But after you have come to thresh on this, I think he can't.
Listen,
If you were
those
not there-
people have to sell. What else they have to talk about? Huh? Those people who run schools, they have to make a living. So if you have anything, why do you have to call that Krishnamurti school? I want to know. If it has touched anybody, why can't she sit there and talk? Nobody will listen to her. People, Jaikars and these people, they're nobody. Listen to them. So you have to repeat what is there. If you have anything, you can sit there and talk, and that will stick.
Even in some educational seminar, I found everybody quoting
What else?
J.K.
Yes,
J.K.
what?
said,
What's that? Now 12:15.
yo,
It is alarm there.
and,
Set once it is 15.
12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. 15 minutes late.
I don't know how to figure it out.
How to set it right.
Yeah.
Yes,
Set it
Something
right.
is there.
What is wrong in
Building
me
up.
is to tolerate you here.
And also, but yeah, because you tolerate me, I am going to speak that thing which is wrong in you.
You are not my position.
I feel something. What is it?
Because I am not raising your Krishnamurti.
No.
Then
All that I
you are
finished
angry.
long ago.
What I was saying was not born out of anger, disgust.
No, I am not talking.
The
That's
disgust,
it.
you see. When you
Those
vomit
are-
something, you see, you
You
would
don't
touch it.
trace
Even
anything.
a dog would not touch the dog's skin. It may all be out of the I vomited that,
Ready to
I
be
will
failed.
never become mad in my life. I told you. Never happen. Even in 9th grade, even 100 years. Not happen.
You already are.
I will check them whether you need
There's
medicine
no
or not.
question of you becoming mad. You are.
He is the one to know. He is Juji advised me at any time to take medicine.
So beyond
I
this,
said explosion. I said explosion. No.
ನೀನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಸ್ಕೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾ ಇವ್ರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ
ಎಲ್ರೂ ಹತ್ತಲ್ಲೇ.
ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಚಾರಕ್ ಬಾ
ಯಾಕ್ ದೂರ?
ಸಂಸಬಳ್ಳ
when the Rajiv
Very
Mehrotra
good.
asked him, who are you? He said, who are you is not an important question, it's what are you?
Grammatically speaking, who are you is wrong.
But he began well.
What are you mean? Then he, what is it?
Something. Christians are redundant. Whatever he is Christian, but he will help whatever he wants.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened.
Yes.
So,
It went on
that's
tangent.
happened.
Yes,
I'm coming in the evening. Morning and evening visit.
This is the misery cell. You have to put up
That's
with
her.
all of
he is
us.
the same man.
All of us.
Misguided,
I
misled
will come in the evening.
by Rama. So this
The
means
Shankar, God
I am
bless
not
you.
misguided by anybody, including Judy.
I really don't know. I mean, these 3 days,
Amma.
I'm trying to make something. I can't.
figure out.
Yes.
Why do you want to figure out?
Ram.
If I don't tell you.
ఆయన అవస్థ పడి చెప్తాను
If you don't, you haven't come across anybody.
Even
And
if you
if
come
it
across
is not
Pendra,
named before, in such a
As I said, what he says becomes is lost. But the way he says it, like I have nothing to give you, that honesty, then he will say that we are romanticizing the whole thing. That is, everyone tries to sell you something, some way or the other.
See, in Karnataka Express, and we have come around to Karnataka. For sure.
This physical organism.
What value added to you to shape your life, to improve your life, change your life?
even if all other values
Shut
are
up.
dropped out,
That means
this value hanging
there are
around
two things.
Judy,
One is the culture fighting the organism. No?
Yes, trying to shape it, control it, and change.
It's not going to succeed. is it?
Not at all.
It is succeeded.
Not at all. It is why you are still questioning, asking, why you are miserable. Misery is there.
That should be the end. Suppose it has succeeded.
Yes, it has. It has created the misery. The answer.
Anybody who preaches puts out the value system.
When somebody asked me how many people you have put on the path of righteousness, I said none. I have taken away a lot of them and put them where they actually belong. Whatever is there comes out. It is a real bitch. That bitchery comes out.
You did this you were not saying before. All
That
these things
whatever
you
is
said.
there, if you don't have any talent, it's too bad. It's too bad. You don't have. It is not the spiritual quality that you will come out because it doesn't exist. That you will not become a better man.
It's some kind
Whatever
of...
potential
Do you
is
help
there.
a man or woman to catart himself, whatever that is there?
No, but it is related to something else, to the value system. You see, that is consuming tremendous amount of energy. You don't seem to understand that. You will be a failure here, you think, since you are a failure here, you want that. To cover this up, you are failure.
to compensate.
With some fancy phrases. You see, if I had that, my life would be a hunky-dory. Because all the energy that is consumed.
I'm programmed.
That means we are only trying to go away from that and do something against
you
it.
want another. What is your
Shut up.
potential, sir? What is your
Shut up.
What is your
To
potential?
hit you hard and see that you don't.
Did you
Open
succeed?
your mouth and
So why
mouth.
didn't you succeed?
I'm going to succeed, don't bother. You put it on the challenge if you have the guts.
Oh,
This is the way things are.
Really?
What are her disqualifications?
No,
Ask
qualifications
because
are
the
there.
She's not big, she's not pretty, she's dumb.
camera.
She's not intelligent.
And for Parveen Babu, I think...
What do you have to say?
For Varun Bhavi, what does he say?
What? She's not there.
Because she's pretty, she is not.
Even she didn't have a chance. What
Yeah,
chance
so-
do you think you have?
Even
Even she didn't have a chance.
with all the pavement there.
All that she said, you what chance you have? You are ready to documentary.
Like this.
This is natural. Not simply
Otherwise simply for the sake of...
No, not all of it, a bit here, bit of it there. You can cut off this out, but you sometimes go in. have faith and then participate. The phrases that are thrown at the
Whichever. Today, another extra word you have
Words.
brought.
New words.
The potential of
Newly
whichever
coined words.
will come out.
Relevant.
Most
Most relevant to the situation. Most effect.
She is
29th అన్నారు, 30th అన్నారు, ఇది
24th morning, not 23rd morning.
Friday will be here.
Friday, yes, I'm glad I'm going to be here because Henry is coming on Friday.